Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to install the speed spool from SpeedTek RC into the Maverick QuantumR Flux. This is a 35 tooth gear on here. Take out the center diff and put this one in there. Here's the part number. You guys can get this at JJ Customs. Go to his website, look under SpeedTek RC. He's got them sitting in there. They're already made. And check this one out. This bad boy. They come with a sticker. Look at this bad boy. Nice smooth bearings on there. It's already been put together for you. It's got red Loctite on it. So it won't come apart on you. Okay. So this is actually pretty nice. Nice and heavy, so it's made of some good metal there. It says 35 tooth, 8 millimeter, mod 1 gears. So, alright, so we're gonna install this bad boy into this thing today, okay? Get rid of the body. This is fairly easy car to work on. Just take off these 4, and then we'll go underneath and take off. I think there's 2, or we'll try taking off 2 in the front and see if that comes off. And then if that doesn't work, then we'll have to take the whole motor out. And I'm also going to put a 35 tooth. I'm sorry. This is 21. I think I'm going to put a 27 tooth on there. So let's pull this out. See what kind of, because the stock gearing on the diff is a 46 tooth. And these 2 screws up front go into plastic, so they're coarse threaded screws, so which you can tell the difference between the 2. The back one goes into metal, the front one goes into, I don't know if that's zoomed in clear or not. Front one goes into plastic, so it's coarse threaded. The rear one's fine threaded, goes into the aluminum brace. And the cups are on there, so they slide on there, so you got to take the whole motor mount apart. And that's these 2. And then if you want to take the whole motor mount and the back off, those 3. So we're going to try the front 2 and see what it does. And these are going to be the same way, I believe. These are going to be, yeah, see, these are coarse too, because they're going into plastic, but they got the flat head on it. So let's see if we can get that apart or not. I'll pull this off just to get this out of our way so you can get better. So you can see, guys. Okay, so that comes off. So let's see if we can get this to slide off, and maybe we can get this whole thing to slide out. I don't know how this is gonna work. Yeah, it's trying to be sneaky about it, guys, but that ain't gonna work, I don't think. So I think we're gonna take this whole plate off here. Yeah. We're gonna take these 3 screws off too. Which I already did this. I did check the diff, and I don't think I put Loctite on these, but I need to be changing it soon. I would recommend putting at least blue Loctite. Okay. back over. Still in focus. See? So there we go. It just pops out now. Okay. You can see it looked like it might have been leaking a little bit of diff fluid there or something. That's all right. So now that we got this out, I'm gonna clean that grime out of there. Same with this one, huh? Make sure all the grime is all cleaned out and the bearing sits in there nicely, right? Make that and need to make that in metal. See if they can find that. So if you spin that right, you'll come right into that, which is kind of nice. You can fit your driver right in there, and it's actually the wrong driver. Go. Pull that bad boy out. I'm going to loosen these up because I'm sure it's going to be a little different. Let's see. I should have had all this out, guys. Sorry. There we go. So this is a 27 tooth, so we're going to try this. We do have a 22 tooth, and a 25 tooth, but we're going to try the 27 and see what happens. We can drop it down if it's for some reason, but I think we'll be fine. So I'll put that in there. And I'm just gonna tighten it up a little bit because we're gonna have to make some adjustments. Yeah, see, it's gonna have to be, we have to slide the motor in, but let's get all this in place, huh? Hey guys, sorry about that. I got back, I got a little cold, so I stopped for a minute to go grab a sweater. I'm out in my garage. So let's finish putting this together. I'm gonna try a different way. Oops, let me get this back on camera here. And I'm gonna go like this. I think this is the best way to put it back together. Like this. I'm gonna put a tiny bit of Loctite on this one. It's going into metal. Same with this one. Sorry, my hands are in the way. I'm trying to hold all this together, guys. All right. Get them all started. There we go. Got the spool in there. Got my, I just need to mesh it once I get it set in there. I'm not going to do it right now. I'd rather do it inside. And then we're just going to set this in here. All right, we're just going to do the reverse process here. Bring this back here. I'm going to put this back in here. Okay. This one back in here. And we're going to set it all in together here. Hopefully you guys can see something of what I'm doing here. So I got that one in. Okay. Oops. So we just need to work these together. Get them in the grooves. And set them in. Okay. Yep. All in there. Nice. Okay. I'm going to take this one, 2.0, and I'm going to dab it in a little bit of Loctite, just for the motor mount side, the metal side. All right. Go right back into there. Just snug it up. Snug it up. There we go. Bam! There she is. She's rolling. You see that? Right in there. Get you guys a better light. We have ourselves a spool, guys. 35 tooth on there, so that's what we're gonna go with. We'll have to figure out once we play with it and see what we get. So let's loosen this up. Loosen this up. And slide that in there, okay? All right. Excuse me. There we go, guys. That sounds good. All right, there you go, guys. Now we just plug all the wires back in. Make sure you get them all back the same way you had them. Let's zoom this back out for you guys. And I'll put the antenna wire back in there. All the motor wires go back in here. Okay, that's there. This is here. Okay, there you go, guys. And I might put a fan on there. I might not. We'll see. So there you go, guys. Got the SpeedTek RC Speed Spool in there, guys. 35 tooth spur gear, 27 tooth pinion. So we're gonna try that. See how fast we can get it going. I'm gonna leave these tires on and see what the tires can do. I have a set of GRPs here. They're S4s, so we will. I use the 5s on my Typhon, and got 111 with those. So, but we'll see with these and see what these do. They feel pretty soft. They're not supposed to balloon. They're supposed to be yeah, they're supposed to be belted, but we'll see. They handle pretty good at 54. They seem to hug in as long as you just went straight and kept, you know, kept going. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and go check out SpeedTek RC at JJ Customs. I'll put links down below for everything. You can also get it at HRP. You can get it on their website, which is Hobby Recreation Products. And go check them out. And I'll leave a link down for them too. He has all the spurs for, and they're pre-built for the HPI Maverick QuantumR Flux. God, that's a long name to say, guys. He got it for this car. So next video you'll see of this, we are going to take it out for a speed run. I might throw a fan on it. Like I said, we'll decide. But I'm not going to show a video of that. I'm just going to bolt a fan onto it just to cool it off. But thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a good day.